Money is like water, or water, whatever way you want to say it, depending where you're from. See this water down here? It's a bit dirty, but it's moving. And that is the purpose of money. Money has one purpose above all things, and that is to move and to flow, just like water. If water stops moving, it becomes stagnant, it becomes unhealthy, it can be dangerous, you don't want to drink it, unless you use one of the water filters from my company. But the thing about money is it's not designed to sit still or to be stagnant. Even when you give money to a bank, what ends up happening is they don't just sit on the money. They go, oh cool, we'll just watch it for you, no worries, we're just going to let it all sit. They leave, well at least they used to, they'd leave 10% of the money inside of the bank, and then 90% of it would get loaned out to other people. The purpose of money is literally to circulate, to move, to flow. And the reason that's important to understand, and why I'm telling you that as I walk along this rather ridiculously pretty little riverway in Edinburgh, Scotland here, is because when you hoard money, when you are in constant fear of losing it, when you just try to grab onto it, it doesn't come to you. It doesn't flow as well. That's why when it comes to money, you need to keep this abundant mindset of the belief that money is going to flow to you constantly, no matter what. And the way to do that is to allow your money to go out there. Even if you think about the concept of money that you hold in a bank account that's at least liquid. Why is it called liquid? Because liquid moves, right? And you want your money to have the ability to move. So no matter what it is that you're doing, if you sit there and you hoard it and you grab on, it's like holding a handful of sand, right? The harder you grip onto it, the more it slides through your fingers. So treat money like an abundant resource. Let it flow. Give freely, right? Give to other people. Give to invest in yourself. Right? One of the most useful things you can do with money is give it to people who've achieved what you want to achieve and help them achieve the things that you're desiring. Ironically, as I'm talking about money flowing, I've just walked in a circle. But at least I'm moving, right? But that's the thing, right? Just make sure that you're not trying to hoard and stagnate your money. If you do that, you're basically just sending out a signal that there's not enough. And you need to constantly stay in that belief that there is more than enough money, because the reality is there is. Look, even if let's say your country goes into a recession, right? I live in America, half English, hence my weird accent. But let's say America goes through a recession and they stop printing money, which they don't, because all they do is print money in America. Even if your country, whether it's Africa, Australia, whatever it is, if they have a recession and that money stops to be as valuable, well, there's still currency being printed in other places. There's still money constantly being moved around, and it wants to move from country to country, from person to person. And where does money come from? As my good friend Jesse Elder likes to say, other people's bank accounts. It's meant to move. So stay abundant. Understand that money, just like these rivers, is supposed to flow, it's supposed to move. Don't hoard it. Don't let it stagnate. I've lost my girlfriend. I'm gonna go find her. If you want to figure out how to improve your relationship to money, you can take the Money DNA quiz. It'll show you how the things from your childhood, the things your parents said, teachers, the neighborhood you grew up in, are still affecting how you spend money, how you keep money, how much money you make. Go take that moneydnaquiz.com, and I gotta find my girlfriend.